So for all your diesel engine needs from 5 horsepower all the way to 35 horsepower, hapa iko engines. So if you require this or you use this, just give us a call and you're going to ensure you got from this small one all the way to the big ones. Like this one is a 30 horsepower. The revolutions per minute is 2,200 and it's around 215 kgs. And this is less than half a CBL. So shipping this is very affordably in Kenya, anytime, any day. Thank you.